Alright, so ngayon pala, nandito ako sa unit namin. Ito yung unit namin. So, nasa block 7. And ipapakita ko lang no, kung ano yung turnover unit ng isang one-story duplex sa Villa Castena subdivision. Okay, let's get inside. Alright, so this unit is an end unit kasi yung katabi niya is one-story single attached. So this one is an end unit. Yung katabi niya is firewall ng kapitbahay. So dito na side. Okay. So pasukin natin to. Ito yung matatanggap natin when we reserve a unit in Villa Castena subdivision. This is the one-story duplex. So ayan, meron na siyang partition dyan sa aircon. Alright. So it has a vertical large windows. And as of now, no, sobrang sarap ng hangin, yung simoy ng hangin. Alright. So ito yung lot area niya. Yung lot area niya is 68 square meter. Right, you have a parking area here. So ayan. And let's get inside the unit. Alright, so this is what you can get. Okay. So bare lang siya, but it is semi-furnished na kasi naka-tiles na yung unit natin. And ang walls, you still have an option if you want to change the color sa interior. And ito, actually you can leave here na walang partition. Pwede naman siya na hindi mo na muna lagyan ng partition. But if may mga anak ka and you want a room, pwede mo siyang lagyan actually. Right? So this unit also is has a 1 CR toilet and bath. And sa area na to, nandito yung countertop natin, yung kitchen. And meron siyang basic na cabinet sa baba. Lagayan ng mga kitchen materials natin. Alright, so ano siya? Malaki siya. Okay. Tapos, ayan, may lababo na siya. Alright, tapos yung iba is nilalagyan nila sa taas ng cabinet to add more if meron ka pang maraming ilalagay na kitchen materials dyan. Alright. So this is the CR. This one. So ito yung deliverable na CR. Right? So may shower na siya, toilet and bath, at saka may lababo. And this is the second door. Right? Ayan. So yan, kita mo yung kapitbahay mo. Ayan. So ito yung service area. Ang service area, pwede ka dito mag-add ng dirty kitchen or anything, dito ka pwede maglaba, no? So depende sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mong gawin dito. Alright. So connected na din siya sa parking area. So question, pwede bang maglagay ng fence dito? The answer is yes. Pwede natin siyang i-fence. You can do it in this unit. So actually meron ng iba dito na itong portion na to is ginawa na nilang concrete dyan hanggang sa dito na area, concrete na siya. Tapos gate fence sa harap. Alright? So ngayon pala no is windy. So masarap yung hangin at saka sa loob hindi siya mainit kasi pumapasok yung hangin sa loob ng unit. And this is the reason why it has large windows for added ventilation. And yung ceiling natin, meron siyang heat insulator dyan na nilagay para ma-lesser yung init during summer or during heat season. As you can see, yung roof natin is flat siya. Hindi siya yung triangle style. And this kind of roof, no, matibay yan. Pwede mong akyatan yan dyan sa taas. And this kind of roof, pwede mo siyang installan ng solar panels. Kung gusto mong mag-solar power sa loob ng bahay mo, if you want na full grid na solar setup, yes, you can do it here. Meron na siyang grid na post. Diba? Ayan, so this is it. Alright, so paalis na ako kasi umaambon na. And I hope you will subscribe to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. See you on my next videos. Bye-bye and God bless.